Uh, Welcome to another video by the Market Maker SA. Hope you're doing good. I hope you're trading strong, and I hope you comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell icon. And yeah, let us begin. Today we'll be looking at a few pairs. Right now, currently as I'm recording, it's Sunday, so we'll be looking at a few pairs. So this will be a market review class. A market preview class where we'll be looking at a few pairs and we want to see how we can attack the market this week. We're gonna look at a few pairs: GBP, Euro USD, the majors, look at some indices. Then I think we're gonna leave it there. Okay, let's begin. I want to start on GBP USD. You can see right now GBP USD is kind of showing me very nice promising stuff. We'll start it from the weekly so we can see the supply and demand of the chart, but otherwise I can already see what we might be doing here. So as you can see right now, supply and demand wise for Euro USD, let me look to the left. Okay, the left looks decent, because if you look to the left, the only major, I mean, right now currently it's in a mitigation block, but if you actually think about it, the only major area that you could say is a threatening is here. And as you can see, market has not entered into that area yet, into that down candle order block. So right now currently market is using all this down here as support. So that means market might still push up, because we see right now we have the support zone right here, or the supply zone where market has found rest. Obviously this is where probably they are all bank orders by the market. Very nice stuff. Break of structure right there, confirming the direction. And as you can see, what market has been doing so far, market has been giving us a bit of up and downs. I mean, the direction is clearly there, but I can see so far at the start of the year, it's not promising. Let's close it down. So you see, if we close it down right now, it's in this area where I can't really say it's an area where I'll be interested in. As you can see right now, market has entered into this false order block. As I see it, there's no down candle. The only proper order block I see is right there on top. So right now, I've already identified on the weekly where I'll be expecting market to go to. So now I can drop down to my daily. And as you can see right now, if I drop down to my daily, I can already see market is in this type fair value gap. Very nice stuff, interesting stuff. Market is in this fair value gap, and yeah, I like what it's looking. I like how it's looking. I don't wanna count this as an order block. As you see right now, it's not a down candle order block. So right now, the only point of interest I can see is this fair value gap, as well as fair value gap is also complemented by this inverted fair value gap on the side. So that's very nice stuff. So now we've already found the point of interest that we might be looking to continue this trade. If we drop to the H4, if we drop to the H4, as you can see currently, market is in that area that we're talking about. As you can see, market is kind of showing a bit of sideways movements. Market is kind of showing a bit of stalling consolidation. Market is kind of, I feel like market right now there, that was the order matching process, as the market was trying to get enough buyers and enough sellers to make enough money and continue the trend. Because as you can see, BTMM wise, we only have one level. We only have one level of rise. Let me drop that down so we can count the levels. As you can see, we only have one level of rise: level 1 consolidation, level 2, level 3 on the H1. But on the H4 currently, we only have H1. I only have one level. As you can see on the how it works is one level on the H4 is 3 levels on the H1, and so forth. But it's a bit more complicated than that, That one is usually for our private mentorship learners. Don't forget, if you guys want to join our private mentorship, you guys can contact us. Just tell us down below in your comments, and we'll find a way to contact you. But yeah, so as you can see right now, we've already identified, okay, we have one level of rise, and I've already identified a daily point of interest. So I'm looking for market to bounce back out of that area, rise up, possibly rise out of that area, continue the trend up, and we'll see how we can reevaluate the market. So I like this very, very much. Pick formation low, level 1, expecting level 2 and level 3. And yeah, I mean, in terms of what we could have traded last week, it was a bit of a sketchy way. Because the only way I saw a trade was actually in the Euro USD. But yeah, that's it for GBP. That's it for GBP USD. I'm looking for it to go up out of this area, rising up. And yeah, we'll see how it works. We'll see how it works, but I have a good feeling about that one. Not even the feeling, I mean the confluences are all there, so it's not really a feeling, hey? It's a matter of probability. So okay, let's move on to the Euro USD. Now obviously Euro USD one, that's the one I was looking at. Very, very interesting. The one I was looking at. Obviously for this one, I'm really let's start on our daily. But no, it's fine. We'll start on the H4. So right now we have a peak formation low on the H4, and currently we have about 1, 2, 3 levels of rise. Very, very nice stuff. I like it. And points of interest that I'm looking for market to come back to. Now I have to see. Now we kind of have to go to our daily to further identify these points of interest. Just draw it down there. It's probably this a down candle order block right here. I like how this down candle order block is looking right here. Could possibly see market come into those areas then run away. That'll be very, very splendid for me. As you can see right there as well. Break of structures everywhere, making that a high. So expecting that to be our new high low. So very, very interesting stuff there. Looking for Euro USD to continue the trend up. And so far, it's looking promising. Market is really, really almost there. What market was doing basically last week was just retracing back to that area. And in a nice way, in a nice and slow way. Very, very nice stuff. I like it. So I'm expecting a market to come into that area. Consolidate the beat maybe Monday, Tuesday, then Wednesday gives us the rise. Or can even do it tomorrow and Tuesday maybe consolidate a bit, then Wednesday give us that rise. So very interesting stuff there. I like what I'm seeing. As you can see, there's current level 1, expecting level 2 and 3. So yeah. Let's look at Euro USD JPY. Very interesting trade there. Something that I want to look at a lot more often are the exotic pairs. Let's start on the daily. Okay. So as you can see right now on the daily, we have this. I like what I'm seeing right now. Obviously from the daily, obviously support zone, supply and demand, demand zone. Currently right now we have right here this down candle order block there, acting as a demand zone. That's very, very nice stuff. I like how it's looking, and as you can see, market is already reacting away from that area. Something as well that I like very, very well. Market is already reacting away from that area. Very, very, very nice stuff there. Drop that. If we can drop down to H4, as you can see, market is already running away from that area in a nice way. So that's something that I might be looking at taking possibly today, tomorrow. Very interesting stuff there indeed. The problem is let me just fix it there. Problem is I don't really, but I see it. I see the movement away as well. It's quite small, especially after that level violation there. We're looking to target that external liquidity there on top. As you can see, there are people who are up there who are selling. Yeah, very, very nice stuff. As you see, market is already reacting away from that area in quite a nice, decent way that I like. And market is already targeting that liquidity because there are people in there who are already thinking sell, people who have already sold, people who are probably holding. So very interesting stuff there. As you can see on the H2, we have our first leg, second leg, W formation. As you can see what market has done from that area, market has broken that structure in a very, very nice way. Things that are really, really nice to see. And you can see market has gone into this fair value gap right here. Market has gone into that fair value gap. Market is already really, really taking away. And yeah, stuff that I like very much. I like it. I like it. I like it. Market is already running away from that area. Yeah. decent stuff there. I like what I'm seeing. I like what I'm seeing here. Obviously expecting level 2 and level 3. Looks like we already got in level 1. Very nice stuff. Very nice stuff. In terms of catching it, I don't know how we'll do it. Hey, I might just see market literally moving away from this area straight up in Asia, because exotic pairs move in Asia, or we might just come back into this down kind of heavy back and continue the trend. Very interesting stuff, but I like this. Definitely want to watch for this week. Definitely want to watch. Okay, let's look at gold. What's gold, guys, again? AUU. Ow. It's my fault. I'm here. I'm at the wrong part. Okay. AUSD. Okay. And we'll probably look at I wanna see Nasdaq, US, maybe the US 13 then. I think we'll call it a day. As you can see what market did here. On the daily. Market is finally taking out that high. I know, right? Something that we've been expecting for market to do. Market has finally taken out that high on the daily, finally. And basically on the H4, market right now has been in an uptrend in gold. Something that we've been enjoying very much in the group, because that's the only thing we've been doing. We've just been buying gold. Nothing crazy. You see right now we have this nice demand zone. Beautiful thing about gold is kind of saw this pattern playing out, but we didn't do anything about it. This beautiful fair value that was covered, but then look how market took off away from that area. Brilliant stuff. So what I would expect gold to do is not really that a lot of crazy things. I'm just gonna expect it to retrace back, especially after the breakage of that huge external liquidity. Expecting market to come back, reel it in a bit, take back some of the money that they lost, and I'll be seeing it. I'll be expecting to come back to this area and continue the trend up. But usually we'll see what will happen. Definitely. But the fact that it took out that area was kind of something that was a bit depressing, because I was expecting it to come back down from that area, but it's not a problem because we were kind of expecting it to happen, and it did. So interesting stuff. I don't know if that's the all-time high. I heard talk from one of my members on the group that Trump is not a big fan of letting gold get to that all-time high, because some interesting things. Right now, currently the president of the United States, the one thing that does not fill me with a lot of confidence is that he talks a lot, and when he speaks, it could influence us losing or winning our money. So very interesting stuff there. But level count was on gold. We have level 1. Let me just fix it there. We have level 1 going into consolidation. We have this level 2 that was quite drawn out nicely, and market is already completing the level 3. So overall, very nice stuff. Might expect a drop, definitely, but I don't see it dropping for long. As you can see, I don't see it dropping for long. But very interesting stuff there. Very interesting stuff. Okay, let's look at the Nasdaq. Isn't it usually called email, guys? No, I'm sorry, I'm not really a big of a Nasdaq trader. I think it's called email something, isn't it? Interesting. Okay, we'll just look at the US. We'll look at the US 100. Oh, there we go. E-minis 100 futures. Okay. Whew. So basically, when it comes to Nasdaq, I was very shocked when it did this type of movement. I like the way it did this movement, because obviously there were areas that needed to be taken out down here, because someone recommended to me to look at Nasdaq in the group. They're like, look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is interesting, and I like it. I like how it's looking right now. The problem about Nasdaq always goes up, and I'm not really a fan of uncertainty. I'm always a person who likes all my things predicted, so it's quite interesting when Nasdaq continues to go up. But In terms of what we'll be looking at right now, as you see, market is currently on this peak formation high. Very nice stuff. And as you can see right now, we have on this supply zone that has been touched quite a lot of times, about 3 times. Very interesting stuff there. So what are we expecting market to do? I mean, on one part, that supply zone has been weakened by market coming back there, probably for a 3rd time right now. So that's actually a big factor there. But as you can see, market that is officially a resistance zone. So I'm expecting market to come into that area, then drop. Then we could target for those. We could target for those external liquidities down there, because that's obviously where the money is. So very interesting stuff. Something that we'll be looking at. I want to say it's one to watch, as I say I'm not a big fan of the Nasdaq, but yeah, that is the market. Some of the market preview for this upcoming week. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and guys, please tell us, guys, on how we can improve our channel. Tell us on how we can improve our channel, guys. Could really use the input, because I mean, you guys are the people who give us the subscription. So just tell us how we can improve our channel, and yeah, just give us some suggestions on how we can further improve our channel, so we can experience growth in the channel. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and peace.